Bye. Pa. Open door.
Mommy, come now.
Tata will come.
Why, Mommy?
I'll come in the afternoon.
Why?
Bye, Nana. Huh? What?
Mommy,
Huh?
what's your watching?
Oh, you should not cry, okay?
Bro.
Huh?
Bro.
Bro,
I
if anyone be, tell to teacher, okay? Mm.
don't know, Mommy. No teacher.
Huh?
Mommy, give Mommy phone.
No, I'm not speaking.
Bring Mommy phone.
Go. Bye. Bye, Nana.